Hello everyone. So there are a lot of smart students who, in general, they're very smart. They work really hard, but still they're not able to clear CLAT or get a very good rank. So in this video, we'll just talk about why, like, what are certain major things which prevents a very good student from actually clearing and getting the rank that they deserve. So, guys, my name is Kanav. I am a third year student at National University Delhi.
And I am Neeti. I am an incoming first year student at RGNUL Patiala.
So yes, Neeti, what do you think is like a major reason why people mess up?
See, I think one thing that I've noticed in students who are usually smart and doing good throughout their preparation is that they attach their worth to their results. और ये चीज़ backfire कर जाती है on their actual CLAT exam का day.
Makes sense.
पेपर
Exactly.
थोड़ा भी tricky हो जाता है. CLAT is unpredictable, especially in the recent years. तो थोड़ा भी if it does not go in their expected ways, so they crash out वहीं पे, and they're not able to handle the consequences of if they do not get a good rank.
Exactly. So the bottom line is that you attach expectations to the paper instead of now seeing the paper as it is. कि अभी जो paper देना है, you start seeing the consequences which are to follow after the paper, and that scares you during the paper, and उससे तुम अपना 100% paper नहीं दे पाते. This is something exactly what I did in CLAT. I was like कि मेरे को तो AIR 1 निकालनी है. तो the moment I saw the paper and realized कि current affairs is messed up and I might not get the rank that I want, I just saw my expectations crashing down, and because of that I could not give my 100% to CLAT.
And
So, yeah.
इसी का like opposite मेरे साथ हुआ. मेरे पेपर में 2026 पे लॉजिकल रीजनिंग में क्रिटिकल रीजनिंग आई ही नहीं, which was the most expected thing obviously. ARI and a lot of my batchmates could not handle that surprise कि पूरे साल उन्होंने critical practice की and then suddenly it's not there in the paper at all. But that was something that I was very detached from. I did not think during the paper मेरी rank क्या होगी, मेरा college क्या होगा. I just saw कि ठीक है, नहीं आई. It did not really matter to me and I went on with my questions. So I was able to do well in my paper. So yeah, detachment and just don't keep any expectations in general.
Makes sense, exactly. And also, one more thing which I think he messes up a lot of papers is OMR. So, like, can you tell what happened in ALIT?
So this happened with me in my ALIT. I left one question, GK ka, and I ticked the right answers on my question paper, and I thought that I would mark them together on my OMR, and I ended up marking 10 to 12 questions of GK wrong. They were actually right, like I knew their answers, but I marked them wrong on the OMR. So मेरा ALIT का paper was gone there and then only, right? And so I could have gotten a better rank, but I could not, just because of the silly mistake that I was not conscious enough while marking my OMR.
Exactly, and this happened with a friend of mine in CLAT as well. ALIT only, sorry. He was doing really well and with a very smart student. Everyone expected him to get into NLU Delhi. But he could not because he marked, ऐसे उसको आदत थी कि एक साथ मार्क करना है, तो उसने एक मिस कर दिया, उसके चक्कर में 5 क्वेश्चंस गलत हो गए थे. So and now handling that kind of a pressure during the paper is also very difficult, which he could not, क्योंकि इतने बड़े setback का तुम्हें पता है कि मतलब हाँ it's gone, especially something like the ALIT कि जिसमें seats नहीं कम है, तो it's either happening or not happening. तो yes, that is a very big mistake. तो इसलिए OMR मार्क करनी चाहिए बिल्कुल अच्छे से ऐसे देख के कि 120 इधर देखा, ABCD देखा अच्छे से. टेक सम टाइम आउट. इनफैक्ट दैट एक्ट्स लाइक अ ब्रेक. मैं तो ऑनेस्ट उसको ब्रेक की तरह देख रहा था कि ठीक है, बहुत अच्छे से माइंड लगाया, बस मार्क करना है, थोड़ा माइंड को भी टाइम ऑफ मिलता है. सो दैट हेल्प्स. बट येस, एनी अदर थिंग दैट कम्स टू योर माइंड?
Third, I would say overthinking throughout your preparation and also in the exam. Like a lot of people start searching for irrelevant trap हो सकते हैं, नहीं हो सकते, ये होगा, they start searching for something that is not in the paper. You go by the question simply. Throughout your preparation also, I've seen so many people who fall back during their preparation क्योंकि या तो वो इधर उधर बहुत ज़्यादा देख रहे होते हैं, compare कर रहे होते हैं, overthinking होते हैं, they pull themselves into this bubble throughout their preparation, and that same thing then backfires CLAT में भी, क्योंकि उनको लगता है कि मैंने इतना कुछ किया है, तो वो हर क्वेश्चन पे ओवरथिंक कर रहे हैं.
Exactly, that is genuinely you're describing what I did in my paper. I overthought a lot. मतलब English was very easy and I just could not digest fact कि easy है. I was like कुछ तो ट्रैप होगा, हो ही नहीं सकता इतना easy हो, क्योंकि उस टाइम तक नहीं आया था. So I overthought. Like spent more time on the questions. उस चक्कर में वो thinking I marked certain wrong answers, thinking कि oh ये मतलब I just made up things which are not there in the passage, as you said, which are not there in the paper. So I was hunting for ghosts which did not exist. So you should definitely not do that. But yes, majorly I believe these are three things which mess up smart student paper, and I believe you should try to ensure that you do not fill into these traps. So yes,
I think these are some things जिससे आप escape नहीं कर सकते. At some point or the other, every student comes across these things. The one who handles it the best gets
Exactly.
along, and the one who falls back on it then falls back on it.
yes.
So yeah.
So guys, all the best and do your best.